5 billion. That's the number of people online right now. These are real people like you and me, surfing the net, looking for information, discovering products, finding deals, buying and shopping every day. So, if you really want to grow, you have to capture a piece of this gigantic pie. There's no doubt you're already working on fresh online business concepts, ideas that when they take wing will put you miles and miles ahead of your competition. But it's not easy to turn those ideas into reality. Starting and running a business online is complicated. You'll need to set up a website, create opt-in pages, design funnels, integrate payments, integrate an emailing platform, set up a membership, and an analytics platform just to get started. All of that is painfully difficult and frightfully expensive. How expensive? Well, for starters, you might have to pay $379 a month just for your funnel builder alone. Getting everything you need could cost you thousands of dollars before you even get started. For a new business, this cost is a deal breaker. Month after costly month of expensive services while you're trying to grow your business could kill your business even before it takes off. Wouldn't you rather be spending that money on getting more clients? Or even better, saving some of that for yourself? Well, now you can.
Link
Introducing
available
CloudFunnels.
on
This is your
description.
complete business funnel and membership site builder that will replace all the expensive services that you are forced to pay for every month. What's even better, CloudFunnels is the only funnel builder that does not treat you like a prisoner. Whichever funnel or membership builder you use right now, you have no option but to pay for it every month. If you stop, all your funnels vanish and all the hours you've put in turn to nothing. Not with CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels is the only funnel builder that you actually own. Buy it once and you can host it on absolutely any hosting, including a shared hosting, VPS, a dedicated server, or even cloud platforms like DigitalOcean or Google Cloud. You'll never have to pay rent to keep your CloudFunnels running. CloudFunnels is to funnels what WordPress is to blogs. Install it anywhere, run it, and never worry again. Yes, never pay a monthly charge again to keep your funnels running. CloudFunnels won't just save your money, it will also give you more security. Your funnels will never go down just because of a DDoS attack on the main platform. Nor will dishonest marketers be able to steal your funnels by running a subdomain search on your funnel provider. That's not all. It's packed with killer profit-boosting features. It's the only funnel builder with an inbuilt membership. You don't need to buy a separate delivery platform for your customers. It's the only funnel builder with an inbuilt autoresponder too. You can maintain lists, send transactional emails, mail sequences, and even mailouts. It's also the only funnel builder which supports multiple funnels on the same domain. You can put separate funnels into different folders and have as many funnels as you want on a single site. And it's the only funnel builder to give you full support for modern technologies like AMP, which will boost your site's rankings and viewership on mobile phones and help you rank higher and higher. It's got full support for on-page SEO features, and you can optimize your site to get more traffic organically from search engines. Is that the entire list? No, we are just getting started. CloudFunnels is by far the most powerful business site builder you've ever seen. You will also get full support for GDPR, not just getting your customers' consent to park cookies, but also giving them a place to request information and facilities for you to generate that information as required by law. You will also get powerful analytics so you'll see exactly how your business is doing, what product is selling, and what your return on investment is. It also integrates with all popular payment systems and cards, including PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. You can also integrate third-party platforms like Talk.to, Opt-in Monster, Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, Heatmap, conversion-proof pop-ups, or any similar add-on. Plus, CloudFunnels also natively integrates with popular autoresponders like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and MailEngine, so your buyer leads go right into your autoresponder. But that's not all. CloudFunnels also has inbuilt Zapier integration, and you can fire off zaps to send your data into absolutely any CRM or system that you use. You think we could stop right here, don't you? No, there's more. You also get A/B and split testing, powerful caching that delivers your pages at lightning speed, and a very powerful administration panel that lets you create multiple users with limited rights. So you can have your VA fire off your emails even if they don't have the rights to download your customers list. Ready to move all your funnels to CloudFunnels but worried about having to recreate your funnels from scratch? We'll help you with that too. CloudFunnels has a unique page duplication system. You can put in the URL of any live page on the internet, and CloudFunnels will copy it over in a matter of minutes so that you can modify it right inside the powerful page designer. Bringing all your existing funnels to CloudFunnels is one click easy. We've invested months into creating CloudFunnels, talking to hundreds of our users, and perfecting every little detail to help you make the maximum sales. Yes, CloudFunnels is the most advanced funnel building system in the market today, while still being the easiest to use. Build your funnels, sales sites, corporate websites, blogs, landing pages, opt-in pages, membership sites, training sites, webinar funnels, or any other business website, and funnel with CloudFunnels and host it anywhere you want. CloudFunnels makes your online business easy and affordable. Just to do a quick recap, you get the most powerful funnel builder, a membership platform, an autoresponder system, an opt-in management system, client management features, SEO and ranking enhancements with multi-user login, all rolled into one powerful, amazing piece of software. To put the icing on the cake, CloudFunnels is fully customizable. If you want any custom enhancement or functionality, just like you do on WordPress. CloudFunnels is designed to be easy, convenient, powerful, and extremely customizable. In short, it's just the thing your business needs to take full advantage of the online marketing opportunity. Show your business some love, upgrade it to CloudFunnels today, save hundreds of dollars, and explode your online marketing. You've come to us at the perfect time. CloudFunnels is on sale, and you can grab the best deal on it if you act now. That's not all. Today we are giving away a multi-site license and commercial rights. Yes, you use CloudFunnels not just to build amazing funnels and sites for your own business, but also for your clients. The commercial license you'll get today authorizes you to build sites and funnels for others without paying any licensing fee to us. You know funnel building is hot and every business wants a funnel to grow their profits. Be the person that brings funnel building to them and create a powerful new recurring revenue stream. Don't wait any longer. The offer will not get any better than this. You're protected with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the amazing difference that CloudFunnels makes to your business growth, just tell us and we will refund all your money without any hassle. Don't keep your dreams waiting. Get the most powerful funnel and site builder right now. Click on the button below and get instant access to your CloudFunnels. $3.5 billion. That's the number of people online right now. These are real people like you and me, surfing the net, looking for information, discovering products, finding deals, buying and shopping every day. So, if you really want to grow, you have to capture a piece of this gigantic pie. There's no doubt you're already working on fresh